Best Home Depot Sauna. Number 1. Zone Meal, Home Depot Sauna. Similar to a traditional wooden sauna but more convenient and easy to use, your new private sauna comes with everything you need to enjoy the relaxing experience you deserve. Portable chair, heated foot pad, sauna robe, remote control all ensure you can rest and relax whenever the mood takes you. Energy efficient, 1300 watt high power heating element and can reach a max temp of 140 degrees Fahrenheit / 60 degrees Celsius in no time, making it highly power efficient. Sturdy folding chair, our portable sauna comes with a study sauna chair for comfortable seating so you can enjoy and relax after work. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Serene Life, Home Depot Sauna. Detoxifying infrared heated body, the adjustable heat that radiates from the infrared sauna and included food mat soothes achy muscles, helps prevent fatigue, detoxes the system of impurities and melts your cares away. This portable personal sauna ensures to lose weight, remove toxin, reduce stress, and fatigue. When you are enjoying a book, magazine, TV show, losing weight, and your body is shaping, there is nothing better than this. While other saunas require you to build your own sauna room using your own stool or chair, our portable sauna comes a comfortable and foldable sauna chair for comfortable seating so you can enjoy and relax after work. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Tata Life, Home Depot Sauna. The far infrared sauna is heated by a built-in carbon crystal heating plate. There are 3 carbon heating panels. Each heater is precisely placed for even, steady heat. Only within 5 minutes can be heated. Far infrared sauna is a dry sauna. All you need to do when using a far infrared sauna is to carry a towel to wipe off the sweat. This portable sauna is an ABS pipe structure, which is easy to install and disassemble and has the characteristics of being sturdy, stable and not easily deformed. The fabric of the sauna tent is waterproof, which has better thermal insulation performance and can keep the heat in, and it dries fast and is easy to clean. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. BB, Home Depot Sauna. Produces negative ions which are extremely beneficial to the human body. Helps you unwind and relieve stress. It also aids with better sleep, reduces pain and soreness from muscle spasms, boosts collagen and helps produce a healthy radiant glow, and improves blood circulation. Our saunas have gone through the meticulous high-quality system processes and reviews. Our mission is to offer you a safe, effective, and relaxing sauna experience at the comfort of your home. Its features and design includes the most sought-after features found in pricey and expensive saunas. The best news? EMF levels are low in this portable far infrared sauna. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Kunshana, Home Depot Sauna. The cabinet is supported by thickened steel bars, which is not easy to deform and durable. It can be folded up for easy carrying and storage so that you can enjoy a sauna experience at any time and place. You can easily move your sauna dome from one room to another. The health benefits of using Home Steam Spa Sauna Tent include weight lose, improve skin tone, relieve stiffness and joint pain, increase blood circulation, promotes more restful sleep, reduces stress, and increase overall energy level. We provide the best quality and service. If the goods have any quality problem, please contact us. We will definitely help you. Your satisfaction is our biggest goal. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.